Welcome back to Best Car Fixes. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is from 2008 to 2014, almost the same. Let me turn the radio off. Where's that radio? Yeah. So now, thank God, finally, we are able to start this car. Okay, turn this light off. And then we did a diagnose on this car, and we have 7 code in the engine, 23 code on the ESP, 8 code in SRS. We have another code on instrument cluster, tire pressure, 13 on the front sum. This is a module that get water into it. Now I'm gonna go back for details. This is a lot of code. From here, all the code will become with the details. Look here, active store, Pierce follow of the evaporative system, the charge movement of flap cylinder bank has malfunction. All this is store code. Those code, we did not do anything. We just diagnosed and we try to see what is there in the car. Position sensor 1 for the accelerator pedal, mixer bank 1, gross leak on the emission system, 1 more message transmitted by natural gateway. So all these code are in the car. Due to the water damage, it can affect other stuff, but just look at it here. I gotta go one by one to let you know what you have. Okay, yes sir. Okay, you see all this code for this car. A lot of code. You can take each code. You see airbag. We have general. That water can affect a lot of stuff, guys. And we just keep going. 5 code instrument cluster, tire pressure, communication, front signal. Okay, impulsible receive. You know, those are the code. But what I am going to do after reading all this code, all are restored. That means was there active and stored. Left parking lamp, right parking lamp, impulsible, combination. You see all this. Please subscribe, share, and like. This, the owner of this car, today is his birthday, and I just want to see if I can make his car ready for him to take it tonight. We put a use front sub module. Change all the connectors that get water get into it. We clean the roof. All the code are done. I'm gonna escape this, take the key, engine off. You see here we have all this code, SRS malfunction, ABS, you know how to start it. I have all this, but let me try to see if I can clear them. Erase everything. I'm gonna do quick erase, reset the whole car, and I will call him right now to come and pick up his car. (2008 to 2012, 13 the same, 100%. Try to clean everything. You see that there we are in diagnose mode. It would turn everything that you could up and up. You see here, SRS light on, airbag light on. I don't know. I don't want to be concerning about that too much. Okay, now you see here. Let me go back. ESB, front sum, LED headlamp. Other than that, I don't see nothing. Turn the key on. Start it. If the car is started to run, okay, let me see what I have on the airbag. What code I have here? ESBS, front sum signal, headlamp switch. I don't see anything on the airbag. Yeah, you see airbag have 8 fault. Maybe water get into the module, I don't know. Let me see what I have in the airbag. Trouble code. Skip for the side airbag, driver has malfunction. Skip for side airbag, front passenger. Skip for believe airbag, belt buckle has malfunction. Communication with the central gateway, communicates the front door, circuit has malfunctioned, supplemental restraint system has malfunctioned. I don't want to do anything with this one here. It will not stop the car from driving, but the customer have to know. Okay, on. Let me go back again and see what I have again. Stability. That could be the steering angle sensor on the ABS. Trouble code. Those is coming back. No can signal status of the belt buckle from CM31 supplemental restraint. They say it's not there. Escape this one here. What else? Cancel. What else I have? SRS stability. Then LIN LDS headlamp, one fault. Trouble code. An impulsive signal from the exterior illumination was received. No communication with the exterior illumination. Has malfunction. Okay, anyhow, those are things that in the car. We don't want to go so deep. We just recover from a big damage of the water that get into the car. Is the car good? And we also happy. Please, let me turn it off. You remember they say that this is no good. The key is no good, but the key is good. Let me see. Happy birthday, my friend also, Hakim, and all his friends. And see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.